Welcome to Primus Learning. Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of computers, those incredible machines that power our daily lives. These incredible machines have become an integral part of our lives, seamlessly blending into our routines. From browsing the internet, gaming, editing videos, to even working from home, computers can handle it all with ease. But have you ever wondered what makes them tick? What goes on inside that sleek case? A computer is like a well-coordinated team, with each member playing a crucial role in ensuring smooth operation. We've got the CPU, the brains of the operation, making lightning-fast calculations and processing data. Then there's RAM, the short-term memory, providing quick access to information and keeping things running smoothly. And let's not forget about storage, where all your precious data resides, whether it's a hard drive or an SSD. But that's not all. The motherboard acts as the central hub, connecting all these components and ensuring they communicate effectively. The power supply unit keeps the energy flowing, providing the necessary power to all parts of the computer, while input-output devices, like your keyboard and mouse, allow you to interact with the computer seamlessly. And for those visually stunning graphics, we have the GPU, rendering everything you see on the screen. In this journey, we'll explore each of these components in detail, understanding their functions and importance in the grand scheme of things. So, buckle up and get ready to demystify the magic happening inside your computer. Let's get started on this exciting adventure. First up, let's talk about the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. This small but mighty component is essential for the functioning of any computer system. This is the brains of the computer, the command center that executes all the instructions from your software. Without it, your computer wouldn't be able to perform even the simplest tasks. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the different parts to create a harmonious symphony of computing power. Just like a conductor ensures every musician plays their part at the right time, the CPU ensures every component of your computer works together seamlessly. The CPU's job is to process data, perform calculations, and control other components. It handles everything from running your operating system to executing complex algorithms in software applications. It does this at an incredible speed, measured in gigahertz or GHz. This speed determines how quickly the CPU can process instructions and perform tasks. The higher the GHz, the faster the CPU can process information. This means quicker load times, smoother multitasking, and overall better performance. Two major players in the CPU market are Intel and AMD. These companies are known for their innovative technologies and high-performance processors. They constantly push the boundaries of performance, offering a wide range of CPUs for different needs and budgets. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, there's a CPU out there for you. Choosing the right CPU depends on your usage. It's important to consider what you'll be using your computer for. For everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, and office work, a mid-range CPU will suffice. These CPUs offer a good balance of performance and cost. But for gaming, video editing, and other resource-intensive tasks, you'll need a more powerful processor. High-end CPUs are designed to handle demanding applications and provide the best possible performance. Next, we have RAM, or Random Access Memory. This is your computer's short-term memory. It stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly while you're using your computer. Think of RAM like your desk. When you're working on a project, you keep all the important files and documents you need on your desk for easy access. Similarly, RAM holds the data and programs that your computer is currently using. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle simultaneously without slowing down. If your computer is low on RAM, it will have to constantly access the storage drive, which is much slower, leading to lag and performance issues. RAM comes in different speeds and capacities. For optimal performance, it's important to choose RAM that's compatible with your motherboard and CPU. Now let's talk about where your data lives: long-term storage. This is where your operating system, applications, files, and everything else is stored. There are two main types of storage drives: hard disk drives, or HDDs, and solid-state drives, or SSDs. HDDs are the older technology. They store data on spinning platters with magnetic heads that read and write information. HDDs are generally cheaper and offer larger storage capacities. However, they are slower than SSDs. SSDs, on the other hand, use flash memory to store data. They have no moving parts, making them much faster, quieter, and more durable than HDDs. SSDs are becoming increasingly popular due to their superior performance, but they are also more expensive. Which storage type is right for you depends on your needs and budget. Section 5. The motherboard, connecting the dots. Now let's talk about the motherboard. This is the backbone of your computer, connecting all the different components and allowing them to communicate with each other. Think of the motherboard as a city. The CPU is the city center, RAM is like residential areas, storage is like warehouses, and the other components are like various businesses and services. The motherboard provides the infrastructure that connects everything. Key parts of the motherboard include the CPU socket, RAM slots, expansion slots for graphics cards and other peripherals, and storage connectors. The motherboard's chipset determines the types of CPUs, RAM, and other components that are compatible with it. Section 6. Powering up PSU and its importance. Of course, no computer can function without power. That's where the power supply unit, or PSU, comes in. It converts the AC power from your wall outlet into the DC power that your computer components need. The PSU's wattage rating indicates how much power it can deliver. It's crucial to choose a PSU with enough wattage to support all your components, especially if you have a powerful graphics card. Using a PSU with insufficient wattage can lead to instability, crashes, and even damage to your components. When choosing a PSU, look for one with an 80+ rating, which indicates energy efficiency. Section 7. Interacting with the machine input-output devices. Now let's talk about how you interact with your computer input-output devices. Input devices allow you to send information to the computer, while output devices display or output the processed information. Common input devices include keyboards, mice, webcams, and microphones. Keyboards and mice are essential for navigating the operating system and interacting with applications. Common output devices include monitors, speakers, and printers. Monitors display the graphical user interface, or GUI, speakers output audio, and printers produce hard copies of documents. These devices allow you to communicate with your computer and experience the digital world. Section 8. Graphics Powerhouse, unveiling the GPU. For gaming, video editing, and other graphically demanding tasks, you need a dedicated graphics card, also known as a GPU, or graphics processing unit. The GPU is like a specialized processor designed specifically for handling graphics rendering. It takes the load off the CPU, freeing it up to handle other tasks. GPUs come in a wide range of performance levels, from entry-level cards for casual gaming to high-end cards for professional video editing and three-dimensional modeling. Two major GPU manufacturers are NVIDIA and AMD. They constantly innovate, pushing the boundaries of graphics, fidelity, and performance. Section 9. Keeping it cool. Cooling systems. In this section, we will explore the various methods and technologies used to keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently. With all these powerful components working hard, your computer can generate a lot of heat. This heat, if not managed properly, can lead to reduced performance or even damage to your components. That's where the cooling system comes in. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and longevity of your computer. It helps regulate the temperature inside your computer, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. A well-maintained cooling system can make a significant difference in your computer's efficiency. There are two main types of cooling systems: air cooling and liquid cooling. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Air cooling uses heat sinks and fans to dissipate heat away from components. This method is straightforward and effective for most users. It's the most common and affordable type of cooling. Air cooling systems are easy to install and maintain, making them a popular choice. Liquid cooling, on the other hand, uses a liquid coolant to absorb heat from components and transfer it to a radiator, where it's dissipated into the air. This method is highly efficient and ideal for high-performance systems. Liquid cooling is more efficient than air cooling, but it's also more complex and expensive. It requires more maintenance and a higher initial investment. The cooling system you choose depends on your budget, the components you have, and your desired noise levels. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision to ensure your computer stays cool and performs at its best. Section 10. Software. The instructions. Now let's take a quick detour to talk about software. While not a physical component, software is essential for making your computer work. Software refers to the programs and instructions that tell the hardware what to do. It's like the sheet music that the orchestra follows to play a symphony. The most important piece of software is the operating system, or OS. The OS acts as the intermediary between you and the hardware, providing a user-friendly interface and managing system resources. Other types of software include applications, games, and utilities. These programs allow you to perform specific tasks, entertain yourself, and customize your computing experience. Section 11, Conclusion, Your Journey into the Computer Universe, and there you have it. We've explored the fascinating world of computer components from the CPU to the GPU, RAM, storage, motherboard, PSU, input-output devices, and cooling systems. Each component plays a vital role in the symphony of computing, working together to provide you with a seamless and powerful computing experience. Understanding these components can empower you to make informed decisions when building, upgrading, or troubleshooting your computer. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being curious about the incredible technology that powers our digital lives.